Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is nature. I love nature forever. Nature is the most beautiful and valuable gift we have. It includes everything around us like trees, rivers, mountains, animals and the air we breathe. Nature gives us food, water, oxygen and peaceful environment to live in. We depend on nature for our survival, but sadly, we are harming it through pollution, deforestation, and overuse of resources, cutting trees, wasting water, and polluting the environment are destroying the balance of nature. If we do not protect nature, we are actually putting our own future at risk. Natural disasters like floods, droughts, and climate change are increasing because of human action. Thank you.